Hello, children, welcome back. As every day we begin the day with the thought for the day. So, thought for today is good thoughts make a happy person. So, always think good for you, think good for the people, think good for everyone, and that will really make you a happy person. So, this was the part where we left why Gandhiji started using loincloth and a shawl. So, this is a picture, a world famous picture. This was the type of dress he used to wear, no matter how is the weather. So, joining back from where we left, please turn to page number 17 of your textbook, A Great Leader. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. So this was long back. Gandhiji had to attend the round table conference. A conference is a meeting. It's a formal meeting where many people discuss important matters. Gandhiji was invited to attend and it was related to the things pertaining to India. In those days, as you all know that England, we were already under British rule, and the King George was the king of England, and he gave a reception at his palace. So in those days, if you are attending a reception at the king's palace, you have to wear in a particular way. The dress code was decided and people used to wear in that way only. Second paragraph. People of England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to suit the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. The people of England were eagerly waiting to see what type of dress would Gandhiji wear. They knew of Gandhiji. They knew of what he was trying to achieve for his country. He was received with great enthusiasm over there. There also he stayed with poor people to attend the conference, and the people thought that Gandhiji would now put on a formal dress to meet the king. But Gandhiji made it very clear that he would not change his type of dress because this was the dress that is representing the people of country, and he was of the opinion that as long as each and every person of the country will not have enough clothes to wear, he will not change his style of dressing. So people were anxious to know what would happen. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. So the norms were set aside, the norms that were prevailing, that a person has to wear in a particular way to meet the king of England were set aside, and this great man went on to meet the king in this simple dress. Such is the simplicity of great people. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that king had enough clothes on for both of them. Extravagantly is the way that cost a lot of money. So the king was dressed quite extravagantly. The clothes were such that were very expensive, that would require a large amount of money to be spent. When Gandhiji was asked whether he has enough clothes to wear, so he replied that whatever king is wearing, that is enough for two people. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. So the news went like a wind, the news went like a fire in India that Gandhiji did not change his style of clothing. Even to meet the King of England, he dressed in a simple way because he was of the opinion that this simple dress is the representation of the poor people of his own country. So the people over here, people of our country, were happy that Gandhiji was not bogged down and he did not change his style. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. So, as we have discussed earlier, as I have told you earlier, that Gandhiji did not support any type of destruction. He did not support any type of violence. Violence is hurting others. He always followed the path of truth, non-violence, satyagraha. He never encouraged the people to use the weapons. But still, he had staunch followers. Staunch follower is a person who is a great follower of anybody. So, in spite of all this, he had staunch followers. And the next word, Satyagraha. Satyagraha, it is the combination of two words, Satya plus Agraha. Satya is truth. So, fight for the truth, speak the truth, and support the truth. We all remember today for his greatness, for his simplicity, and not only the people of India but people all over the world admire him for the courage, because to speak the truth and to be true requires a great courage. So, in other words, we can say that he is a man that, or in other words, you can say that people like Gandhiji are born once in centuries. Such was his greatness, such was his determination to follow the path of truth and non-violence. So, few words we have learned: destructive weapons is causing destruction, causing great harm to the life of people, to the property, to everything. Staunch followers. Let me tell you the meaning once again. People who were firm and loyal in following him. Satyagraha, I have already told you the meaning. Suppressed people. These are the people who have been prevented from developing or growing freely, and Gandhiji always wanted these people to come up, and with education they should be empowered with education so that they can be brought in the mainstream. Let us see what are the new words that we have learned in this lesson. Iron will, strong determination. Conference, a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. Bothered, worried. Extravagantly, in a way that costs a lot of money. Staunch followers, people who were firm and loyal in following them. Extravagantly, please check from page number 17. In a way, it's not away, in a way. Please correct that, and I will be providing you a separate page for the word meanings. Please copy down from that page, or you can refer page number 17. So today's homework is you will write the word meanings in your notebook. Try to read them. Don't repeat them. In the next period, we will finish off with the exercise and then you can take the homework. So till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.